Hello everyone. Today's topic is water cycle. So here in this video we'll see what is water cycle, what happened in water cycle and what is the importance of water cycle. So let's start. So what is water cycle? Water cycle is a process which shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and the atmosphere. We know that water is available in earth only. Okay, from earth the water will go to the atmosphere, and from that atmosphere again the water will come back to earth. So this is a whole process, and it is going on in a continuous movement. That's why we call this water cycle. So let's see what are the different processes are there in water cycle. Water cycle includes many different processes like evaporation. What is evaporation? When the liquid water evaporates into water vapor, this is called evaporation. Then condensation. After evaporation, condensation will happen. So in condensation, the water vapor that condense to form the clouds. Okay, after condensation, precipitation will happen. In this precipitation process, the tiny droplets precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. So, this water cycle is all about evaporation, condensation and precipitation. So, the cycle of evaporation, condensation and precipitation is called water cycle. Let's discuss how the water cycle is happening. As we know that water is available in earth in rivers, ponds, lakes, seas and etc. As the sun rises, the water from the river, pond, lakes is started evaporating, and this water changes into water vapor. This whole process is known as evaporation. So, once the evaporation is done, the water vapor will reach to the sky, and in the sky it condenses to form small drops of water. These small drops of water join together to form clouds. The clouds which we are seeing in the sky, this is nothing but the drops of water. When these clouds pass through the cooler air, they get cooled further and the water drops become heavier. This whole process is known as condensation. After condensation, the water drops become very heavy and they cannot be float on the sky. So, when the water drops become very heavy, they fall to earth as rain. This process is called as precipitation. So, this precipitation, evaporation, condensation, this is going on in a cyclic way. This whole process is known as water cycle. Let's discuss the importance of water cycle. So, why water cycle is very important for us? Without water cycle, we cannot survive. Why? Because water cycle is a continuous process that enables the availability of water for all living organisms, and it regulates the weather pattern on our planet. So with the help of water cycle only we'll get water in the earth. Second point, if water did not naturally recycle itself, we would run out of clean water, which is very essential to life. As we know, if we will not get the clean water, will not survive. So, with the help of water cycle only, we'll get the clean water. Next point. The water cycle involves the exchange of energy, which leads to the temperature change. That means the water cycle is affecting the temperature of the environment. How it is affecting? When the water evaporates, it takes up energy from its surrounding and it cools the environment. Then when it condenses, it releases energy and warms the environment. So this heat exchange influences the climate system. So it's all about the chapter water cycle. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.